here at ExOne with John, talking about their ExOne 25 Pro machine. So John, tell us a little bit about it.
Thanks, Sarah. Hey, we have this machine. We've been in binder jetting for more than 20 years, and we have a long history of metal and binder jetting. We know about doing this across a range of metals. What we've been doing over the last 6 or 7 years is expanding this with MIM powders, and that is an important thing to get high quality, full density, single alloy parts. And we've been able to do that not just at small sizes, but we've been able to scale it up to a 25-liter machine, which we're showing here this year. And then we've also just recently announced our 160, so 160 liters, so more than 5 times the size of this. So we continue to scale up and have the quality and the full density and the range of materials to meet production applications for customers. So it's something that's important and what customers want. Frankly though, it's not something that's going to happen today.
Okay.
We have customers that are working with us and their program to get to production is not next month. Like prototypes, they may go next month. But for production, they need 1 or 2 years to get there. The good news is we're there along the way. We have engineering services, we have adoption centers for parts deliveries to get them started, to help them try their earlier designs, and then when they're ready to scale, they can get a small machine. When they're really ready to scale, they can go for our large machines.
That's one of the reasons we're excited at Dyndrite to be working with the ExOne on our developer council. So
Okay.
we look forward to working with you.
Yeah, I know we have some people on our team working on that, and we look forward to continue to support you.
All right, thank you,
Cheers.
John.
Thanks, Sarah.